We built this family consisting of this single-seater, what I'm sitting in here right now, and as well a twin-seater for 2 passengers. And we start with the cargo version, which is capable to transport up to 200 kilograms in a size of a Euro pallet, because it's the most common size in logistics. It is a very affordable, simple, silent solution to transport people from A to B and as well goods from A to B. It's purely electric, net zero. Currently we can do 50 kilometer range plus 25 kilometer for security reason, 130 kilometer cruise speed, and it has only 55 dBA and an altitude of 150 meters, which is the sound level of a dishwasher. So if it flies above you, you won't even hear it.